I'm Dr. Road from Mobilant. The bike component specialist company Sram has introduced a new motor capable of automatic shifting, similar to Shimano. Additionally, the accompanying wireless rear derailleur boasts remarkable durability. This newly developed derailleur no longer requires a derailleur or chain guide to prevent damage to the bike spring. But don't worry, the rear derailleur, fixed at the rear wheel axle position, is highly resistant to shocks, thanks to the omission of a chain guide. Even if the rear derailleur experiences shocks during a ride, there won't be any issues with gear shifting malfunctions. To use this derailleur, check if your frame supports the Sram Eagle shifting system. It has withstood various harsh impact tests conducted by several bike YouTubers. Named the Magic Wheel, this rear derailleur uses special bearings for smooth operation, and it won't stop rotating even if twigs get caught. Following Shimano's automatic shifting system announcement, Sram has finally unveiled its dedicated motor. The Sram Powertrain motor system, announced this time, integrates the bike motor and gear shifter, allowing Sram to manufacture a complete electric e-mtb. Key specs of the Sram powertrain include a mid-motor producing 90 Nm of torque, 680 watts of peak power, and high energy efficiency. The motor drive unit weighs 2.9 kilograms. And you can choose between two battery packs, 720 watt-hours and 630 watt-hours. Additionally, a 250 watt-hour auxiliary battery pack is available. It features a bridge display on the top tube, operating wirelessly with AXS force, simply supporting two power assist modes, range mode for distance-focused riding and rally mode for sports riding. By using both the motor and Sram gear shifter, you can enjoy fully automated shifting. This powertrain system will be first available on nuke-proof, propane, transition gaseous electric bikes. Furthermore, the Sram gear shifter buttons can be surprisingly mounted on the handlebar with a user-centric design.
3, 2, 1.
Wow! Riding this bike with the AXS shifter may feel similar to the specialized Levo equipped with the AXS shifter, because this motor is not actually newly developed like a pinion motor. It is based on brushed motors that have been used in Specialized for many years. This is due to the use of a powertrain system tuned for the SLAM drive system components. Due to its long-standing use of a reliable motor as a base, there shouldn't be any issues like defects with this new product. The mid-motor provides a very human-friendly and excellent pedal assist sensation. One of the main features of Auto Shift is the ability to change gears without pedaling, known as Coast Shift by Sram, similar to Shimano Auto Shift. While Shimano Auto Shift is convenient for automatic shifting on uphill slopes, the Sram powertrain system allows automatic shifting during downhill rides. You can also manually change gears during downhill rides by pressing the button. Even during steep uphill climbs, changing gears is easily achievable without exerting heavy pedal pressure. These features are expected to be a great help in manipulating the bike in rapid and steep trails, such as uphill and downhill sections. Now, riders with a fully equipped top-tier bike can focus solely on speed, braking, and pedaling control. If this video was helpful, please subscribe and click the like button. This has been Dr. Road from Mobilant. Please also show interest in the Electric Bike Masterbook series. Thank you for watching.